How to get a verified tick in your Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I will show you how you can get a verified tick on your Instagram account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get a verified tick on your Instagram account, go ahead and launch the Instagram application first. Once you launch the Instagram app, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right and then tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Here you'll find the option called settings and privacy, so just tap on that option again. Once you tap on settings and privacy, you want to simply go ahead and look for the option called accounts over here. So right over here you'll find the option called creator tools and controls, right? So just tap on it. And then here you'll find the option called request verification. You want to go ahead and tap on the request verification button. And when you tap on the request verification button, it says to apply for Instagram verification, which have the blue text, right? So now first of all, this verification check mark is only available for people who are a public figure and represent something that the public have interest on. So if you're not someone who can confirm your authenticity and notability, you'll not be able to confirm your identity. As a result, will not be able to apply for the blue verification check mark. So first of all, just go ahead and confirm your authenticity, such as your username, your full name, as well as a document type. Make sure to enter and upload your legal documents. Then you have to confirm your notability, such as your category, your country, region, your audience, and so on. After that, you can go to the option called links. Right over here you'll be able to see link 1, 2, 3, and so on. After you do that, just tap on the option called submit. If Instagram notices that you have a verified and a legit account, they're going to get back to you and then provide you the blue verification mark. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.